Creating an OpenCart website involves several steps, from installation to product management. Here's a concise guide. Choose a hosting provider. Select a reliable hosting provider that supports OpenCart. Ensure they offer features like PHP, MySQL, and SSL support. Download OpenCart. Visit the OpenCart website and download the latest version of the software. Upload files to server. Use an FTP client to upload the OpenCart files to your web server, typically in the public_HTML directory. Create a database. Access your hosting control panel and create a MySQL database and user. Assign the user to the database with full privileges. Run the installation. In your browser, navigate to your domain. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Enter your database details when prompted. Log into Admin Panel. After installation, access the admin dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/admin. Use the credentials you set during installation. Customize your store. Add products via catalog, products. Configure payment and shipping methods under extensions. And customize the design under design themes. Launch your store. Once everything is set up and tested, promote your website and start selling.